Now the third consideration is the stakeholders activity value in the conflict escalation stage. So this is only for this conflict escalation stage and referring to the stakeholders activity element of the ASEC tool, where we find 4 values. So this part may seem conceptually challenging at first, but it becomes much clearer once the underlying idea is understood. So in a social conflict, there are generally 2 roles, the oppressor and the victim. So the stakeholders who initiate the conflict through illegal, failed, harmful, or omitted actions, such as failing to engage with community or ignoring the stakeholders' complaints, is classified as the oppressor, while the other party is considered the victim, regardless of their identity. So the oppressor may be the company and the community the victim, or the opposite. The community may initiate the conflict and it is the oppressor, and the company becomes the victim. So within the ASEC tool, it's essential to identify and highlight the specific activities that trigger the social conflict in the stakeholders activity element. So the scoring follows this logic is the stakeholder who initiates the conflict, it means the oppressor, receive a value of 0 because their illegal, failed, harmful, or omitted activities. On the other hand, the victim's activity value depends on their response. If the victim engaged in a corrective activity or appropriate activity such as protesting peacefully, filing complaint through the company's grievance mechanism, or requesting dialogue, they receive a value of 1. However, if the victim is ignored by the company or by the oppressor and responds with illegal or failed activity, they receive a value of 0. So both the oppressor value and the victim value are then incorporated in the overall social license to operate calculations.